would love to share with you this awesome desk lamp. This product has a glare-free design that it produces a light distribution in 45 degrees angle, causing no dazzle to your eyes. It is very easy to assemble. It will only take you a few minutes to do so. And it comes with a clamp that you can use to attach it directly to your desk. The whole body is made in aluminum, nice and soft, and it comes with a flexible gooseneck that you can use to adjust the height from 22 all the way to 28 inches, and you can also rotate it pretty much in 360 degrees. The lights are made of LED, which are very caring to your eyes. And guys, it comes with 2 touch control buttons right here. So you have the power button, and you also have the option of choosing between 3 different color temperatures. You have cool light, warm light, and also natural type of light. And you also have the option of adjusting the brightness. You can go from 10% all the way to 100%. This is such a great product, guys. The light, it's very uniform and it doesn't produce any flickering. And on top of that, it takes care of your eyes. It is the perfect illumination for your desk space so you don't get tiredness in your eyes when you're working in your computer. I highly recommend it and I really hope you will enjoy it. I'll see you next time. Bye.